Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So I have something a little bit different for you today. In my last video I mentioned that I had won it was actually December, not January, the December challenge that's up, run by Ranger and Dina Wakley, the Show Us Your Media challenge. And that was with, I'm gonna find it, this page here, this one, not this one. And I mentioned that what I had won was the new large Dina Wakley Media Journal. It arrived today, literally about half an hour ago. So I thought I would open it up and show you and share it with you and show you the difference between this one and the older one. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, got it open. So at first glance, it's actually pretty exciting. And it is much bigger. Now it is, what is it? I think they said 10 by 14. So it's hard to see the difference. That's why we're going to compare the two. So, brand new one. Old one. So there is a very big difference in the two. And I'm really excited to work in this because this one I do find a little small. Now I'm used to working in the Dilutions one, which is, you know, a little smaller. In saying that, I love the Dina Wakley Media Journal. I really do. I love that you get different pages to work on. That's what I think the appeal is about this journal for a lot of people. And I think it's fantastic that now we have the bigger size to work in. So the inside is the same. It still has the cotton watercolor paper, the burlap, the canvas, and there's some craft in here too. So it's the exact same setup. It still has the different types of media, but it's just a lot bigger. So yeah, very big difference, which I'm really excited about. So can't wait to it. And I was surprised it actually got here so quickly. Considering I'm in Australia and this has obviously come from the States, I was quite surprised. But I cannot wait to work in this and give all this real estate a bit of a go. So I just thought I'd share with you my prize that I got. So thank you, Ranger, and thank you, Dina Wakley. Cannot wait to crack this open. Alright, that's it from me. I'll see you real soon with a video in my new journal. Bye for now.